Hello, amazing people. So this question is an igcse physics question, and this question is under the topic electric field. So now in this question, we're asked to calculate the charge flow through the 12-volt battery when the battery transfers 510 joules of energy. So now energy in electric field, all right, is equals to what? Work done. And our work done is what? QV. All right, our work done is QV. So you can still say energy is equals to QV. All right, so now our Q is the charge and our V is the volt. All right, so what is our Q here? So our Q here is unknown, which is the charge. That is what we are looking for. So now in this place now, our V is given as what? 12 volts. Our Q is our V is giving us 12 volts, and our energy is 510 joules. 510 joules. 510 joules. So from here now we can get what? Our Q. So let's make Q the subject, which is the charge. So that will be E equals to QV. So divide both side by V. So now the formula that we'll be using is what? Q equals to E over V. So now our E is what? 510, and our V is what? 12 volts. So when we calculate this, we'll be getting 417 point. So this is our final answer. All right, everyone, this is another GCE physics question. So let's quickly solve it. So it is under specific latent heat of fusion. All right. So now in this question, they are asked to look for the specific latent heat of fusion, which is L. So now L is unknown. So now in this question, we are given the what? The Q. Our Q is 5010 joule. So this is our Q. So now also we are given our mass to be. So if you observe now, the answer will be in what? Joule per kilogram. So we are not converting anything. So we'll leave it as kilogram. So always look at what? The unit. The unit will determine if you are going to convert to what? To from one unit to another, but we are not converting. So we are going to leave it as what? Kilogram. Right? So now let's calculate now. So we're using Q equals to ml. So we are looking for L. So divide both sides by what? M. So we can get our L. So we're using this formula, L equals to Q over M. So now what is our Q? 5010 divided by 0.015. So our final answer will be 334,000. So this is our final answer. So we can just, this is 3. So that is our answer. Thanks for watching.